Hello, here is your homework help for homework number 18. Um, there's only 2 problems per day this week because I was having issues with the table on this. It would not let me, you can even see where it says Thursday. Doesn't look like how it usually does, like up here where Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday are having some issues with it, but that's okay. I feel like this will be good practice. Each day did put on there a conversion from an improper fraction to a mixed number or an improper mixed number into proper form because I had several friends on the CFA get to the correct answer, and then it's like over Christmas break it left y'all's brains how to convert those, and y'all were really good at those from like day one. That was one thing y'all really remembered from 4th grade. So I thought some extra practice for that would be good. So let's look at the first one for Monday. It says 5 and 8/7 is an improper mixed number. Rewrite 5 and 8/7 in proper form. So remember to do that, we divide. So we say if we need $7 and the bank has $8, how many times can we get our money? We can get our money one time, but what we need to do with this 1 is add it to this 5 over here. So now we have 6. Okay, so then we took our $7 from the bank. So if we took our $7 from the bank, that leaves $1 in the bank and we got our $7. So 6 and 1/7 would be the proper form of 5 and 8/7. Okay, looking at the next one. Which expression is represented in the model below? Okay, so let's see. I can see that this group has 2 blue ones and a purple one. Okay, so 2/3 are blue. 2/3 are blue. And I can see that this one is also 2/3. And this one is also 2/3. So I can see they did 2/3 3 times. So I can see it's not going to be 3 times 1 equals 3. That one's, I think, our ridiculous answer choice here. Okay, I can see a 3 times 2/3, maybe that one. 3 times 1/2. No, I'm not really sure where we could get to 3 times 1/2. But look, here's another 3 times 2/3. So we need to see which of these has the correct answer. So I'm going to do 3 times 2/3. I make my whole number look like a fraction, and we're going to multiply straight across. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. This is improper. So we need to use what we just used up here to put this in proper form. If we need $3, but the bank has $6, how many times can we get our money? We can get our money 2 times. So the correct answer is D. Okay, on the next one. Same thing, you're going to turn this improper fraction, 21/12, into a mixed number. Okay, so if the bank has $21 and we need $12, how many times can we get our money? Well, if you cannot picture that, make a cheat sheet. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24. They only have $21, so I can only get my money one time. Okay, then this is where so many of you got stuck. You took your $12 from the bank. You're going to do $21 that the bank had, and you're going to take your $12 away. Remember, your denominator does not change. So what I want you to do is find this part here by doing 21 minus 12. Okay. Next says student council cuts a strip of ribbon 2/5 meters long for Valentine grams. They cut 4 more strips the same length. What is the total length of ribbon? It says Beverly student council cuts. Okay, this is multiplication. It's 2/5 strips of ribbon or meters of a piece of ribbon. And listen, there are 5 strips. They cut a strip here plus 4 more. So I'm doing 5 groups of 2/5. Okay, 5 groups of 2/5. So we're going to make our whole number look like a fraction, right? And we're going to multiply straight across. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, we've been practicing up here these improper fractions. I want you to put this in standard form. Next, it says 12 and 17/15 is an improper mixed number. Rewrite 12 and 17/15 in proper mixed number form. So we need $15. The bank has $17. How many times can we get our money? If you don't know that, write out your 15s. 1 times 15 is 15. 2 times 15 is 30. So I can only get my money one time. Got to come back and add that here to this whole number. Okay, so now I've got 13. Now you have to take away the money that you just took from the bank. 17 minus 15. Your denominator never changes, so complete the problem here. Finish the problem. Okay, last one on this side. If Dominic works 14 and a half hours on a project and Damani works 12 and 3/4 hours on his project, how much longer did Dominic spend on his project than Damani? We're subtracting here. 14 and a half minus 12 and 3/4. I'm going to start with my ratio table for 1/2. If we do times 2, 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. I can stop there because I've got a match. Rewrite your problem. 14 and 2/4 minus 12 and 3/4. Okay? You have to use your number line on this one. Let me clear my screen here. 14 and 2/4 minus 12. Okay? We're going to draw our number line because look, you cannot take 2 things from 3 things. You have to regroup, and this is how we regroup. We're going to start at 12 and 3/4. We're going to jump to 13 because that's our closest whole number. I jumped 1/4 to get there because look, I have 3 pieces of my puzzle put together. Need 1 more to complete it. Now I'm going to jump to 14. I jumped 1 whole to get there. Now I'm going to jump to 14 and 2/4 because that's where I'm trying to get. I jumped 2/4 to get there. Now I add these up. 1 whole, 2 plus 1 is 3/4. Okay, so Dominic worked 1 and 3/4 hours longer than Damani on his project. Okay, let's look at Thursday. These are easy peasy. So let's look at these real quick. Find the sum of 14. Okay, I'm going to write that. And I know sum tells me to what? Add. Find the sum of 14 and 52 hundredths. 52 hundredths. How easy is that? You can handle this problem. If you need me to check it, bring it before Friday. Bring it by Thursday. Won't be here on Friday this week, guys. Okay, what is the product of 7 times 3/4. Look here, product tells us, and they also tell us times here. We're going to multiply straight across. 7 times 3 is 21. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay? The bank has $21. We need 4. If you cannot visualize how many times you can get your money, you need to come out to the side. Okay? So look, if I get my money one time, I got $4. 2 times, $8. I can get closer to 21. 3 would be 12. 4 would be 16. 5 would be 20. And 6 would be 24. So I can get my money 5 times. That's my whole number. Look right here. That's how much money I'm taking from the bank. So 21 minus 20 leaves $1 in the bank, and I got my $4. Let me know if you have any other questions or if you're still not understanding this part, getting from the improper fraction to the mixed number. We were doing really great first semester and just kind of disappeared over Christmas break. It happens though. Bye.